You guys, I needed validation. Who do you go to for validation? A true friend. By the way, if you guys don't know Nessa, you will now.
What brand is that? Because, I mean, I can see where you were going with it, but like, that doesn't look amazing at all.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm so excited, you guys. I'm doing a first impressions on an indie brand, and it's called Femierre, and it is their Spring Forward palette. And this is a very long palette, but oh my gosh, you guys, look at this. This has 16 shades, and look, it's so pretty and vibrant and pastel and springy and colorful. So I'm gonna try and use as many colors as I can today. And I'm gonna do some swatches for you. I'll go ahead and insert them here. So they are very pastel-y. They're very like colorful. If you guys aren't a colorful fan, I don't know if you guys will like these, but these glitters are beautiful. I'm excited. I am starting off, these don't have colors, so I will show you guys the colors, but I'm starting off with this blue here. This whole palette reminds me of an Easter egg. Okay, that that's pigmented. Holy blue. I don't exactly know what I'm doing. I just kind of want to play with all the colors. This is really blue. I love it. So now I think I'm gonna add some of this green here to blend the edge out with. Alright, I have kind of like this base color down, so I think I'm just going to use a fluffier brush to kind of blow out these edges just a bit more. Alright, I feel like it kind of dusted away a little bit of the blue in this corner, so I'm going to add that back in. So there is that so far, you guys. And I feel blending, it blends nicely. It seems that it dusted away a bit of the blue in this corner over here. And I actually think that's where a little bit of my P Louise base was lacking, because I think I brought it more here and I didn't bring it over here, so it seems like this actually sticks to a base a lot better than if you were to just do it on dry eyelids. So I would do any kind of primer for your eyelids if you were to use this palette. Alright, so now because I have this down, I think I'm just going to go ahead and cut my crease, and I'm going to do kind of a halo eye. I'm just going to try and use as many colors as possible. It's a squashed cut crease today, okay y'all? Alright. I'm taking that same blue and I am putting that on the inner, and whoo! She's pigmented, y'all. The inner and the outer corner. And I don't want to bring this in too much. I just kind of want this to be that base shade right there. And then I'm going to put it on the inner corner. Oh Lord. She's pretty. Ooh, this is so bright and beautiful. Oh my gosh, I love this blue. Okay, once again, this is, okay you guys, okay. This is actually really bothering me. I don't have, I did not cut my crease way over here. And I can see the spot where I did not cut my crease, there is a bald patch. Can you guys see that? Alright, right here is where I had the P Louise. Right here, there was no P Louise. And that is not sticking at all. So, if you guys do your eye look, just cover basically this whole section of your face, just in case you want to bring it down a little bit like I did. And now it's bald and patchy there. So I'm gonna have to coordinate my eye look and maybe make it a little bit straighter, which I wasn't planning on doing. That's annoying. It's beautiful on top of a base. Without a base, it's patchy and it like does not want to stick to those areas. So that is extremely disappointing. Just keep that in mind. If that's something that you guys are irritated about, then I'm going to move into, I think, purple. So let's do this shade right here. Oh my, that's a beautiful purple. I don't have a purple like this anywhere in my collection. Alright, it is very difficult to blend these two together. So normally what I'll do is I'll pack on the color right next to the color I want to blend it into and just slowly start dragging it into it. And it's actually giving me like a cakey effect on top of that P Louise, which is weird because P Louise never does that to me. And it's like, ugh. I don't know what that is. It's like creating this like cakey textured area. Oh, but she is a beautiful color, you guys. Alright, so I am laying down that pigment and then I am slowly trying to drag it and blend it into this blue here. That one actually blended a little bit better than this one over here. Can you guys see all that texture? Like, what is that? That never happens with P Louise. So I don't know if that's this formula eyeshadow, but this side looks like shiitake mushrooms. This side over here is decent. It's not the best. Okay, let's go on to the next color. Let's try a different color. So from purple, I think I want to go to hot pink. We're just going straight up rainbow today. I have 80-year-old eyelids now, so that's my main goal in life, and I've achieved it. Yay. I kind of went over the pink a little bit, and I kind of like it. So I'm gonna add a tiny bit of some yellow glitter. So actually, yeah, let's do that so we can see how this glitter performs. Make sure wherever you put the glitter primer, it's exactly where you want your glitter to go, because otherwise it's not gonna move. It's not a very intense glitter. I think this is something that would look a lot better over maybe like the orange and the red, but because it's on top of the gold, I don't really think I can see it as well. Alright, you guys, let's start with the bottom. So for the bottom, I think I want to do a different color story. I want to try and use as many as I can to show you guys how they perform. So now I'm going to go in with this pink right here. It's kind of a light baby pink. I'm going to take this under my entire eyelid. I mean, that, you can definitely see that. I am very impressed with the pigmentation. I'm just not impressed that if it's not on a base, you get these bald areas here, and that's so annoying. Now I know to just put a base over every single surface. I might even consider putting eyeshadow down. Now this is the part where I don't know how it's going to perform as well. I'm going to now darken up it even more with this salmon color here. And I want to see how these blend on top of each other. Just like I thought, you guys. Putting a powder on top of another powder brushes the entire bottom layer completely away. Like, you can't even tell that I put this powder on to deepen it up. It's actually creating less pigmentation right on the area I'm putting it on because it's brushing away that initial baby pink. Let me try this orange because I think this orange might work a little better. It's a little bit darker of a color, which shouldn't matter, but let's try it. This is a very dense brush, by the way. It doesn't have a lot of give. So wherever you put this color, it's gonna go on. It's actually dusting anything away, nothing's sticking. This is ridiculous. All right, I'm gonna go in now with this pink shimmer. It's like a light pink shimmer. Okay. Okay, let's spray it. Going with a flat brush. All right, let's try it wet. I mean, y'all, this is ridiculous. I shouldn't have to work this hard to blend eyeshadows on top of each other. Like, that's what blending is for, is to mix colors together. Okay, I just wet that and kind of stamped it in, and it has so much texture under my eyelid. I've aged my eyelids 80 years. Wetting this shimmer formula is not okay, you know what? I'm done with that for now because I'm just getting irritated now. And I'm going in with this shimmer blue right here. Well, this was supposed to be a happy-go-lucky, bright, unicorn-inspired tutorial, and I'm just very frustrated at this point. So, I'm sorry, y'all. Okay, that one's going on a little bit better, a little bit. And I'm gonna go in kind of with this pastel pink here for the inner corner, and I'm not gonna wet it. I was gonna try and wet it, but when I wet this salmon colored one, it got super textured, and I don't want that on my inner corner. So let's just keep it dry, see how pigmented it is. I mean, it's fine. I'm not as impressed as I thought I would be by this color. Why aren't you focusing on my horrible eye? I'm gonna go ahead and add in this ColourPop. It's a really pretty pastel purple eyeliner. It is the color Crybaby. It's fitting. I'm actually gonna see how eyeliner works on top of these. I'm going to be using the color Vivid Violet. Full-blown unicorn, y'all. That was my plan. I was planning on being happy and unicorny, and everything just was against me today. I think I want to add glitter right here. Why not? I'm gonna do that because I think glitter will make me feel better. So I have created this look, and I actually didn't show the rest of the products because I just I feel like when I edit this video is gonna be a long video because of how much complaining I'm doing. I feel like it's the colors didn't blend well. This glitter, it like if I try and spread it around, it starts taking off the color underneath the gold, if you guys can see that. The colors dusted off if you tried to put them on top of another color. Other than this blue and the green, those two blended really well together. Every other color I tried to use, every color combo, did not work. They did not work well wet. They got really chunky. I've just been in a terrible mood this whole video. I'm so sorry. I get really frustrated when I spend my hard-earned money on a palette and the formula just is not, it's not there. So just let me show you guys what products I used. I did use the Wet n Wild You Glow Girl. It's their loose highlighting powder. It's kind of like this pink. It's a really pretty pink. It's very subtle. And then I used Space Case. It's Not Me, It's My Sign blush. And then for the lips, I used Matte Caron. L'Oreal Color Riche in 800. It says Matte Caron. It's just kind of this soft pink color. And I did add Stila Lilac Legend right here and here. But you guys, that is all I have for this video. And I'm gonna do a second chance. If you guys think that I could do something different to make the formula blend well and better together, let me know below, because when I do my second chance video, I'll be using all of your guys' tips, because me doing how I normally do my makeup just didn't work. So maybe you guys know something I don't. If you guys can tell me a secret, that would be fabulous. And yes, by the way, I will be giving away the Anastasia Beverly Hills Riviera palette in an upcoming video once that's actually released in stores, because I don't get PR. I will be giving that palette away. I'm buying two. I'm buying one for me, one for you, so keep an eye out for that video if you guys want a free ABH Riviera palette. And that is all I have. Let's leave this on a good note. Another giveaway on my channel. Yay! But anyways, I'll see you guys in my next video, hopefully with a better attitude. Bye! Forgot earrings. And this yellow one actually shifts. Jesus, that scared me. Ugh, y'all. Ooh. This makes me want nerds.